Hi everyone, today I'm going to shoot a what's in my bag video. So let's get started. This is my bag. This is an Aldo bag. This has a lock, as you can see, two handles. It also has a strap like this. So if I want to put it on my shoulder, or else I can carry it off in my hands as well. So let's get started with the contents. The first thing that I have is a small diary for noting down small things, maybe phone numbers or any ideas that I get, or just scribbling. I guess I got this in my sugar box once, so it's a plain diary with pages in it. The next that I have is a pen, of course. If you have a diary, you need to have a pen as well. Wet wipes. These are from Primer, some company. Orbit, of course, mint. This is a cute paper soap bottle. So if you open it, I'll just open it. I'll just try to open. It's not opening, but it's full of paper soaps. As you can see, these particles which are there, like these sheets, these are paper soap sheets. And it's a banana flavor, by the way. Hand sanitizer, Dettol hand sanitizer. Sorry, it's Lifebuoy. Got confused. Then, yeah. So I mostly this is an eye mask that I mostly carry if I'm like traveling, or let's say I'm on a flight and I want to sleep. I can just put the eye mask on. It's unbranded. I just got it from some online shop or something. Most important thing, my wallet. Oh, it's already opening. This is my wallet. This is a high design wallet. The wallet mostly has some cash and cards in it. Also, I keep a small pen drive in my wallet in the coin section, so that if I just want to take something, like record something, it's easier that way. A towel, napkin. Then I have a scarf. I usually don't carry too many things in my handbag so that it does not get very heavy on my shoulders, because I'm mostly traveling, let's say, so it becomes very heavy on the shoulder if it's too heavy. This is a scarf. This is a square scarf, colorful scarf. So just in case if there's too much sun, or if I want to, wrap myself in a scarf. This is a coin purse. So off late I was collecting too many coins, so my wallet was getting really heavy. So I got a different coin purse for it. This I got from Cooves.com. It's a canvas bag, pretty handy, I would say. My glasses. These are aviators. I think I mostly carry aviators or Wayfarers. Nothing else looks good on my. I'll just wear them and show you. This is how I look. Thankfully, it's not very sunny these days, so it does not come much to use. I hate too much sun. What do you feel like? And next I have like a makeup pouch, a small pouch. It's an animal print pouch. So in this I have this is Baby Lips Candy Wow, basically a lip balm for hydrating my lips whenever it's required. Color Bar Tutti Frutti lipstick. I'll show you the shade. I just dropped it. So this is the shade of the lipstick. It's Tutti Frutti, I guess. Which is it? No, it's Addictive Magenta. The shade name is Addictive Magenta. I mostly carry a lipstick so that, if after work I have to go somewhere. A perfume. This is a perfume by Adidas, Pure Lightness, EDT. And a comb. And the comb doesn't seem to come out. Yeah, this is the Basic Air comb. So I did not show you how are the compartments of the bag. So if you see, now it's empty. So it has two pockets here and a separation here. So I hope you can see it. Two pockets, a separation, and a zip pocket inside. So I guess that zip pocket is pretty empty. No, it has something. A hair tie. What do we have here? My Apple earphones that I carry in my case. Nothing else is in there. I'll just see what's in my zip, if there is something. Of course, something very personal but very important for girls, a sanitary napkin. I guess that is it in my bag. Yes, I have a visiting card also of my nutritionist, but yeah, I have to keep it in my wallet. I mostly keep my visiting cards in my wallet and then in a visiting card holder. So this was it. This was my what's in my bag video. Hope you liked it. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, Beautiful Within. Until next time, bye.